Hey, I'm David Nusre. I'm gonna take you behind the scenes to an amazing experience here at the St. Regis, Puerto Rico, speaking to Akamai. I would love to create an experience like this with you.
If you always want to be successful, here it is. Embrace doing the things that everybody else doesn't want to do.
Have you ever felt the discomfort of uncertainty? Change is inevitable and daunting. How do we stay ahead of the competition? How do we pivot perspective? How do we thrive under immense pressure to perform? How do we literally improve ourselves daily so we can improve our entire team around us? I've been blessed to work with the top NBA players, coaches, teaching them the mindset tools that has produced 28 NBA All-Star appearances. High performance, consistency, serving, taking action. There is a formula with tools, and I will teach you how to break through the barriers of potential, shed the fear of uncertainty, and achieve more than you ever thought was possible.
Would you give it up for my good friend, David Nusre?
Literally, breakthroughs happen when you live in the service mode. If you don't have that, if you're too concerned about your own time and your own day, true confidence, breakthrough confidence is about understanding your self-awareness. It's who you are. If everything's taken away, who are you? Not what do you do, who are you? But you know what works? To wipe away the doubt, wipe it away. You just wipe away that fog. It's like the confidence stance, the power stance, something like that. You're supposed to feel more confident. I don't know if it works or not, but I know this does.
We need to have a formula, something you walk out of here today with in your back pocket that you can take out in the field tomorrow, the next day. And you guys are the best of the best, the Titans. You all get to live out his legacy, changing the way the world operates.
We have, on average, 50,000 self-talk thoughts per day. And 80% of those are negative.
He's got me in this death sleeper hold and whispers in my ear, "And now I could kill you."
I don't know much about NBA, but hearing David speak, he said something absolutely amazing.
So it was great to hear David's talk today. It was really inspirational. I loved him talking about how daily habits can lead to consistency and performance, and especially to think about where you'll be a year from now. I tend to look at things on a day-to-day or week-to-week basis, and I was really inspired. I'm absolutely going to be able to use some of the techniques he talked about.
And I pull out the business card out of my pocket, and what I see says, Mark Cuban. Yeah, exactly. Good. I'm glad you all know who Mark Cuban is.
And I know for a fact, none of you would be in this room if you didn't love a challenge. Am I right?
It was really fun to be here. I'm excited to hear him and just around the room look at everyone and say we've been there and we are getting better and we are achieving what we thought we couldn't at some points.
Because there's two different type of people. This is it. The final conviction I want to give to you, remember this, there's two types of people. There's the people that say, why me? Why me? That success, that's for him. You know, he's so much gifted. He came from so much. Why me? Well, why can I do that? That type of person. Or there's a person that says, why not me?
The formula itself is not difficult. The execution, that's the challenge.